Winter is here. Winter is here. What's up, guys? Timothy here from Carhoot. And as you can see behind me, the conditions is very foggy. So by now you might have guessed we're around Sokonjinga. We're just coming back from the rally, and we figured we should share with you 5 tips on what you should do when driving through fog. Or we figured we should share with you 5 tips and tricks while driving through foggy conditions. Number 1, make sure your fog lights are on. Those are the lights that ziko huko chini, not your DRLs, not your headlights, your fog lights. They're normally amber or yellowish, a certain hue that makes it easier for other motorists and pedestrians to notice your car while you're driving through such conditions. And number 2, make sure that your demisters are on. Ile time unasikia tu joto tunataka kuweka tu baridi zi. The demisters will help you unfog your rear window and your windscreen to make sure that your visibility is not hindered. Number 3, ensure that the distance between you and the driver in front of you is around about 50 to 70 meters, give or take. That's just a safe gap for you to maneuver just in case anything happens. It also gives the driver ahead of you some space as well to warn you what's happening before. Number 4, if the visibility is less than 50 meters, so some of you are used to having your right indicator on just to signal how far or how wide the car is actually. But if you have your hazards on, it makes it easier for other road users to notice you. Last but not least, ensure that you have a way out. Normally this will be your left shoulder, so make sure you're aware of your surroundings, so that just in case anything happens in front of you, if a car strolls unexpectedly, if the driver in front of you applies his or her if there's an accident in front of you, you have somewhere to escape. Because you had given yourself 50 to 70 minutes, that should be enough time for you to maneuver around the situation, and you can stop and come back and all that. Also, do not ignore the road markings on your left. Normally, they indicate how wide the road is, so don't take that for granted. It is there for your safety. You need to know how far you are from the side of the road and how wide the road is. Is there any other tip that you may not have highlighted? Share with us in the comment section down below.